Hey everybody, Nate out here with Wichita Homeworks, doing a job walkthrough with you guys. So we've got kind of a unique project going on up towards Mount Hope. We added on a mother-in-law suite to this home, and we are now, the homeowners have moved out of the existing house, and we are going to begin demoing the main house, and we're going to rebuild over that same footprint. So we've got Jesse McGrath out here with Wichita Lawn Works. He's going to be handling most of the excavation work and the demo work. He brought out a big piece of equipment that we're going to be using, so should go pretty quick. We've got a big cottonwood tree as well that's going to come out, so I'll swing you around here so you can see. So this is the main house that will not be here by the end of next week. As you can see over here, this was the mother-in-law suite and garage that we added on. So this whole home here is going to be demoed off of the existing foundation. We are going to rebuild over the basement area, which starts right about here. They've got a full basement, still in good shape, so we should be able to build right over the top of that. So let me take you around here. You can see the excavator we've got on site, and I'll give you another view of the part we're going to be demoing. So there's the excavator. Going to be taking out a couple trees as well up front here. So there you can see the front side of the house. You can see the garage kind of peeking through back there. We're going to take this tree and that other tree out, and this whole part will be demoed out of here. And then over here again, we've got that full foundation starting about here all the way over. We're going to be rebuilding over the top of that. Here's our grade pin. So before we did any of this, we set one main grade pin that tells us the exact elevation of all of our floor heights. So that's what we built off of for the garage and the mother-in-law suite. And then this will stay here throughout the project, reframing a new house over this one. And then you can see that gigantic cottonwood tree that's hanging over the house that Jesse's going to be taking out. So this is going to be a pretty cool project, one that you don't see every day. So we'll be out here Sunday getting started. You'll be seeing some video and live stuff coming from that, and then most of next week. So stay tuned and give us a call if you need an estimate. Thanks guys, have a good weekend.